Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Stoicism, a philosophy tailor-made for those of us navigating the twists and turns of the real world. Stoicism isn't just a collection of ancient ideas, it's a practical guide, a toolkit, designed to enhance our resilience, happiness, virtue, and wisdom. By embracing Stoicism, we don't just become better individuals, we become better parents, better professionals, the architects of our own fulfilling lives. Throughout history, Stoicism has woven its way into the lives of great leaders. Think kings, presidents, artists, writers, and entrepreneurs like Marcus Aurelius, Frederick the Great, and Theodore Roosevelt. They found inspiration in the profound teachings of Stoic philosophy, lessons that endure through the private diaries of emperors, personal letters of playwrights, and the wisdom of a former slave turned influential teacher. Yet, despite its impact on some of the greatest minds, Stoicism remains unknown or misunderstood by many. To the average person, it's mistakenly linked with emotionlessness, a misconception that has unfortunately stuck. The mere mention of philosophy often brings boredom or anxiety, making Stoic philosophy seem like the last thing anyone would want to explore. But let me tell you, the English language has done Stoicism a disservice. In its true essence, Stoicism is a practical tool for self-mastery, perseverance, and wisdom. It's not some obscure academic pursuit. It's the means to lead a remarkable life. Visionaries like George Washington, Walt Whitman, and Frederick the Great recognized this, seeking profound wisdom in Stoicism's teachings. The luminaries of Stoicism, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca, were no ordinary thinkers. A Roman emperor, a former slave turned influential lecturer, a renowned playwright and political advisor, they left an indelible mark on history, discovering in Stoicism a source of strength, wisdom, and endurance for life's myriad challenges. Now, let's rewind the clock to 304 BC. Picture a shipwrecked merchant named Zeno, who, after losing nearly everything, found solace and transformation in the realm of philosophy. His journey led him to Athens, where he quipped, "I made a prosperous voyage when I suffered shipwreck." Zeno and his followers gathered at the painted porch, engaging in discussions that continue to resonate over 2,500 years later. Zeno's humility ensured that the school he founded didn't bear his name, a rarity in the annals of philosophy and religion. Stoicism, then, is not just an ancient philosophy. It's a timeless guide for facing life's challenges with strength, wisdom, and resilience. And as our great ancestors would say, master your mind, conquer your world. So join us on this journey of exploration and self-discovery as we unravel the secrets of Stoicism and the ways to maneuver through this reality we call life. Please, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's embark on this quest for a more resilient and fulfilling life together. Until next time, stay wise and stay woke.